Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the activity dashboard for Google Docs. If you go to Tools and you scroll all the way down and find Activity Dashboard and click on it, a window will pop up with some very useful information if you have a document where there's a lot of collaborators. All right, so the first tab on the left-hand side, Viewers, lets me know all of the people who have viewed the document and when the last time they viewed that document. So there's only 2 people who have viewed this document, myself and my other account, which last accessed the document last week Thursday. If I want, I can send an email to some or all of the viewers. If I click on Viewer Trend, I can see how often the document has been viewed, on what days, over different periods of time. If there's a lot of comments, I can see how frequently people are commenting or even replying to those comments. I can see the sharing history. When have the sharing settings been changed by whom, and privacy settings. This controls whether or not people can see my own activity on the document. So the first one, document editors and owners can see my view history for all docs, sheets, and slides unless I decline the document setting below. Document setting below says that they can see it. If I toggle it the other way, they won't be able to see it. And so you can take some control and view the different activity that's happened on your Google Doc between yourself and other collaborators. A useful tool to have if you need it. And that is how you access it.